Pension plan or annuity plan provides you with guaranteed income for life in exchange for a one-time lump sum premium payment. The annuity income from the plan is fixed at the time of purchase of the plan. The assured income provides a sense of security, but don't you think that it is necessary to approach these kinds of investment beyond the sense of security? Let us answer this question by analyzing a pension plan from ICICI Prudential. In this video, let us review ICICI Prudential Saral pension plan and find out whether this pension plan is a good investment option for your retirement life. Let's get started. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. ICICI Pru Saral pension plan is a non-linked, non-participating, single premium, individual immediate annuity plan. The main features are pay once and get a guaranteed regular income for your entire life, flexibility to choose the annuity frequency, option to take the plan for single life or joint lives. On death, the purchase price is returned. A high purchase price benefit gives you an additional annuity as per the purchase price slab. Next, annuity options of ICICI Pru Saral pension plan. Life annuity with a return of 100% of purchase price. This option pays the annuity for the life of the annuitant. On death of the annuitant, the purchase price is paid out to the nominee. Next, joint life last survivor annuity with a return of 100% of purchase price on death of the last survivor. This option pays an annuity for life as long as either of the annuitants is alive. On death of both the annuitants, the purchase price is paid out to the nominee. Next, we shall discuss the advantages and disadvantages of ICICI Pru Saral pension plan. Advantages. A discount on the purchase price will be offered for policies purchased using proceeds out of NPS. Loan can be availed anytime after 6 months from the date of commencement of policy. Next, disadvantages. The annuity option and mode, once opted, cannot be changed after the free look period. An annuity is fully taxable. You cannot surrender other than specified condition provided in the policy brochure, and the annuity is constant throughout the lifetime and not adjusted to inflation. Next important segment, regular guaranteed income for a lifetime in ICICI Pru Saral pension plan seems an attractive option for retirees. Here comes a question. Will your income source be good enough to pay all your expenses and bills? Can it be relied on as your primary source of income? To answer all these hiccups, let us work out the internal rate of return. A 60-year-old male opts for ICICI Pru Saral pension plan. The purchase price is rupees 20 lakhs. The annual annuity is rupees 1,36,342. Since the plan provides an annuity till the lifetime of the policy holder, we have assumed a life expectancy of 85 years of age. On the death of the annuitant, the purchase price is returned to the nominee. The IRR calculation for this cash flow results in 6.70%. As a senior citizen, this rate of return may be convincing as you get a guaranteed benefit. But getting the same annuity throughout your lifetime is a major hurdle in this plan. In the initial years, the annuity seems to cover your expenses. But down the lane, the annuity loses its purchasing power. That means over a period, you cannot afford even the basic things with the annuity income. Moreover, you get locked up in the investment for your lifetime. In order to have a regular source of income, there are plenty of investment vehicles. Especially for senior citizens, the rates are comparatively higher. You can refer the table here. Senior Citizen Savings Scheme and Bank FDs both provide fixed returns throughout the term. For RBI floating rate bonds, the interest rate varies. Each of the options listed here will have a fixed interest rate. The return and the liquidity are better in these alternate options when compared to ICICI Pru Saral pension plan. These options miss a point called inflation. To receive a regular income that is adjusted for inflation, you must increase the equity allocation in your portfolio. We will use the same figures in the previous example to determine how rebalancing the portfolio every 6 years will yield an inflation adjusted return. Here we have assumed an initial annuity similar to ICICI Pru Saral pension plan. Let us assume that 60% of rupees 20 lakhs is invested in equity for wealth creation and the balance in debt for regular needs. Equity return is assumed as 12% and debt return as 6%. Every 6 years, debt portion is replenished from equity. Also, every 6 years, your annual withdrawal increases by 6% to combat inflation. Even after retirement, this strategy helps in fight against inflation. Here, the equity portion is completely transferred to debt at the age of 78. You can decide this based on your willingness to take risk. Even if we shift the entire corpus to debt, the corpus outlives you. Here is our final verdict on ICICI Pru Saral pension plan. This plan is a hassle-free one-time investment plan. It offers a regular income and the annuity amount is predetermined at the time of policy inception. And the nominee gets back the purchase price. The annuity that you receive under ICICI Pru Saral pension plan may seem like a sizable amount in the initial years. In the long run, you may find difficulties in meeting the expenses with the annuity. You may feel the pinch in the later years. So, investing in ICICI Pru Saral pension plan is not the right choice. The common question that is striking every retiree's mind is how to maintain the same standard of living even after retirement. During your post-retirement period, tackling your everyday expenses and other medical bills without a regular source of income is a big challenge. The reason behind this is inflation. Inflation hits retirees harder than earning members. So, to get an inflation adjusted income, use the alternate investment strategy that we suggested. This strategy will help to maintain your standard of living during your post retirement period. Moreover, you have a liquidity in these investments. Consult a certified financial planner for personalized retirement planning. A detailed review of ICICI Pru Saral pension plan is available as a blog post in our website. The link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.